Welcome back, everyone. Name's Drew. You're watching Beer for Breakfast, Facts for Snacks. So I'm a little upset. Spent an hour and 45 minutes trying to edit my video I did this afternoon, and something happened to my editing site and everything went, I don't know where it is. So I'm giving up on that one right now, just doing this. Happy Thanksgiving. Tomorrow's Monday, the holiday. Hope everyone's doing well. And see, well, if I can't do that, I'll just upload this video. Dynamo cream lager. At the liquor store, and I said, no, I've never seen this before. It's brewed by the Furnace Room Brewery out in Georgetown. I guess that's Halton Hills area. Anyways, Dynamo Cream Lager is balanced and smooth with a body and flavor of an ale, but as quaffable as a lager, whatever that is. 10 IBU, 5 SMR, or 5R SRM. Not too sure what that is. Let's check out their site here. Okay. There's really not much of site on this one. I could go to Untapped and see what Untapped gives it. Yeah, alright, well, 3.58 out of 5 with 715 ratings. So not many people have done this. So it's 5.1%. I don't know what to expect, to tell you the truth. Okay, so it's clear. The way it's sounding, it sounds like ginger ale. So I wasn't expecting this one to be clear, to be honest, but there's not much going on there. It smells like a lager, like grains, probably corn in here. No head. Oh my God, what have I done? Very light tasting. Very light tasting. 5.1%. This is like a Bud Light to me. Wow. Well, the can looks cool, but for a $3 beer, maybe $2.35 I would pay for this. I just saw it and wanted to give it a shot. Okay, so you know what this is. Hold on, one more. If you like your Canadian, if you like your Coors Light, Bud Light, because you're afraid to get into the craft scene, this is the beer for you. Because this tastes like that, but craft, and probably 50 cents more a tall can. This is how they're getting you. But you know, oh, 9:30 at night. Drink number the last. Yeah. Oh wow. That was 5.5 out of 10. try it if you're not into craft. But I'd rather just go buy a $2.50 can of Budweiser. Cheers.